This is the main Backstage catalog view, and what you're seeing here is a list of components that exist inside my demo Backstage instance. And you have various pieces of information about each component, so you can see its name, you can see that it has an owner, you can see its type, whether or not it's maybe a production component or an experimental component. There's a description to try and help you understand what it does. It has arbitrary tags that we can set, and so on. And the reason, for example, that the type is important is because Backstage is fundamentally a plugin driven architecture, and different types of plugins will make sense for different types of components in the catalog. So you can see the first component in the list is a website, and you might have some sort of SEO checking tool installed in Backstage for a website, but that wouldn't make sense for a backend API. So Backstage tracks the type of things so that it can show the correct view for the correct component that we're talking about. Now, Backstage also has a concept of ownership, and this permeates pretty much everything that Backstage does. So you can see I'm able to filter to the components in the catalog which the team that I'm on own. So Backstage knows that my user is on the engineering team, and it knows that the engineering team owns this auth0 lambdas component, and so therefore it's able to show me the components that I own, right? And I can click into this team and I can view the team, get some information about who's on it. I could maybe put some documentation for the team here. I could link to a Slack channel for the team, and it gives me a way to filter into the other components that this team owns. And so this can become kind of a homepage for the team inside the company, and I can use this to show off what we build, who we are, give other people inside the company a sense of what we work on and what's important to us. And so that's the two kind of main tracks of entities that Backstage is aware of. It's the components that exist inside your company, and then secondly, it's the people who build them and the teams that they're organized into.